everybody, welcome to another episode of Mavreen Reviews, aka The Reviewers. As you can see today, we've got the Amazon Echo Dot. Of course, these videos are not sponsored by Amazon. I'm just a fan of it. One thing I've learned when it comes to unboxing, people don't want to hear blah blah blah. That's the box. These are the devices it supports. Well, I'll explain later. This is the stuff on the back. And that's how it is. So we're going to start now. This is the bit I love.
See? So you pick it up like this. And slowly there, like...
Amazing!
Nobody does this better than Amazon. So there. See, that's what I meant about the Amazon Fire Stick as well. Look how nicely they packed them. All interlocked in cubes. You have to like take stuff out. So let's go ahead. And if you're wondering why we are in my study, is because this is where we're gonna put the Echo Dot. So I don't know, call it being lazy or just being practical. Any moves. Let's start with, that's your first paper, Echo Dot. That one says Ask Alexa. God, another third one. I'll open these in a bit. And there you have it. A round circular thing, which we're gonna explore. Next comes out the cable. And as you can see, look how nicely this is fitted in. I'm just gonna take it out for you guys. You make it like this, and then it just drops out. So there's just super futuristic packing. Okay, so here we go. There's your Echo Dot. That's how it looks. That's your mute button for when you don't want Alexa to listen to your normal conversation. Some people are like that. That's your plus for your volume, and then a white light comes, which kind of goes in a circle. If you decrease it, you'll know. Like this is just to sometimes wake Alexa, or this is one of your mics, and this is your speaker. So when you put it down flat, basically the sound goes towards whatever surface you've got it on. Gives it a little bit of bassy effect, but it kind of crackles as well. Not the best of speakers, if that's what your intention of buying it was for. Mine was for like the basic stuff that it does, weather updates and things like that, play my music list. And that's where this is better than, I feel, the Google team, because it comes with the headphone jack. Like that's one of the good things about this. And that's your power cable, where the Google Mini doesn't have any of that, and you have to get the audio lead and you have to spend extra money. But I'm going to do a review on that as well, and then maybe I can do a comparison. But so that's your Alexa. This is your power adapter, like I was telling you. Now this one is square. It's still got this funny shape here. It says Amazon, at least not all that aptly. And you've got the USB port. That's the cable that comes with it. That's your micro SD. And that's your normal USB 3.0. For those of you who are interested in the papers, it's just your basic safety. This is like a starter guide. All the stuff you can ask Alexa. It can work with your smart home. You can tell it to put the lights off and things. It can work around the house. You can connect multiple speakers, play everything there. You can do voice shopping with Amazon, especially nice for people who have Amazon Prime. Fun stuff, it'll tell you a joke. You can play games, sing a song. If you have Amazon Prime, you get the Amazon Prime Music. Otherwise, for $3 or $3.99 per device, you can get Amazon Unlimited Music and download music on it. But something that they don't mention here is that you're allowed to download a certain amount of music from your computer to Alexa as a playlist anyways, which is for free, so you can do that as well. And then same on the back, it's got news and information and things like, see, so you get 30 days of free Audible. It can read books out to you, which is very handy for kids. Then, like we said, you've got the Amazon Prime option and news information and basically. And this is your last bit, a basic guide to tell you how to set it up. I don't know why my camera is a bit crooked. That's about it. Let's go, hook it up. It's alive.
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
So basically she said what I was going to say next. So that's it. It's loading or whatever. Oh, I missed it. I can't make it repeat up. You find the device, then you have to connect it to the internet. And then it speaks again and tells you to actually go back to your Alexa app and complete your setup. So I'm going to do that and then come back to this. So if you have the Amazon Echo Dot or any of the Alexa series, you have to have the mobile app to set it up initially, and then you don't really need it, but you can use that as well for smart home features, music and other things. So you've got both the options. Da-da-da-da! I've set it up. Let's go check her out. Alexa, what's the weather like?
Right now, it's 12 degrees with mostly cloudy skies.
Today's forecast has clouds and showers, with a high of 13 degrees and a low of 8 degrees.
Ah, thank you. So, peeps, as you can see, I'm sorry I couldn't do the mirroring with the computer. I mean, I could do it, I just couldn't be asked. So just go by my word. It's pretty easy. Just hook it up, plug it in, go to the app, connect to the internet, search it, and there you go. You can ask all sort of questions. So I hope this video helped and you liked it. And if you did, obviously, press the thumbs up button. And yes, I'll get my nails done. Don't worry. And subscribe for more videos like this. One last note. Next week, I'm going to have a Google Mini Home here as well. And then I'll review that and do a quick comparison between them two and tell you the pros and cons. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.